I don't know how to open this. Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel for the first time if you're new. Hello. I don't like this on right now. I just feel like I have gained so much weight in my face that is not helping it. It's making it look worse. Anyway, today I have a video for you guys, and it is me unboxing a PR package. It's actually not PR, but it is the PR type of package that people who are on PR lists would have gotten. You know what I mean? So on Colourpop, Colourpop came out with a Disney Villains collection, which is super awesome. I'm sure most of you must have seen it on Instagram by now, and their packaging is so beautiful. And so I went online and I ordered a few pieces for myself, and then Ernie went online and he ordered the PR package for me. So the pieces that I originally got it for myself, those are going to be for a giveaway, so stay tuned till the end of the video for the giveaway details. It's going to be very easy. And now let's just get to the unboxing portion. This is as far as I have gotten with the unboxing. There we go. Let's open her up. Ooh, wow. 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 So here is the PR box. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. How do we open this? I don't know how to open this. Oh, that was a lot easier than I thought. It's magnetic. That's why it's so difficult to open. Alright, so. Woo! Look at that! So it looks like each villain has a highlighter, a lipstick, a gloss, and one jelly much eyeshadow. That is so cute. All of their packaging. Oh my goodness, I didn't even notice this. I thought it was like random colors. It's not. They're all different characters. This is incredible. Alright, so I really don't know where to start here. I think maybe I'll just dip into the Misunderstood palette. Oh, that's right. I have multiple items that I'm going to be giving away, so I'm going to swatch those because this is just a whole lot of stuff, and I don't think I can like go through every single thing. And I'm not going to be giving away the stuff that was in this box. I'm going to be giving away the stuff that I haven't touched, which is in the other box. So the first thing I'm going to be giving away is the Misunderstood palette. This has everybody's different colors in here. It looks so cool, you guys. I'm just going to swatch every single thing on my arm, and then I'm going to show it to you guys. Alright guys, here is all the colors all swatched. They're all really nice. Some of them have better pigmentation than others. I found that the shimmers are actually a lot smoother and go on a lot more opaque than the matte shades. That being said, they all are really nice colors. So, the first one here is No Spots. This is just white. This pretty pinky champagne shade is called Mongrels. This really cool lime green gold shade is called Diablo. This one is called Devious. This is Tragic. This is Underworld, which is my shade, you guys. These three colors right here, I'm obviously going to use to make a whole eye look and probably add a little bit of Mongrels in. That's gonna look really neat. I actually missed a shade. I don't know how that happened. Pain in the Panic. I skipped it somehow. Here's Pain in the Panic. It's a little bit different than Underworld. It's a lot more of a true gold shade. This one here is Forest of Thorns. This is another really pretty champagne shade, but there's different shades of glitter in it that looks a bit more mermaidy. Oh, and it's called Flotsam. That makes perfect sense. The next one is called The Fates. Definitely a Hades blue. Really pretty. This one is called Revenge. This one is called Sing. This one is Jetsam, another mermaidy shade. It looks really cool. It's kind of like a duochrome because depending on how you turn, it looks like a different color. This one is Facile. It's gold and has little specks of green and everything. It looks really cool. This one is 101. It's just a matte black. And this again is Pain and Panic, which I forgot to put somewhere up here. I'm going to be giving away this palette as well as 3 separate sets of the lipstick, lip gloss, and highlighter. The first set that I'm going to be giving away is the Dr. Facilier one. Look at the packaging. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. Here's the Dr. Facilier Super Shock highlighter. This really pretty gold. Swatch that for you guys on the back of my hand here. There's that. Very nice. I love it. It's very pretty. I think this is going to look very good on multiple different skin tones depending on how heavy you use it. Next, I'm going to swatch Dr. Facilier's lipstick. Wow, the packaging of this is so nice. It feels luxe and heavy. Wow, I love it. It's really nice. Oh, and you have like this gunmetal shade for the bullet inside. That's so cool. Alright, and when you open it all up, it says Villains on there. It's imprinted. Okay. Let's see. Ooh! This is my shade here. I'm actually wearing something really similar to it right now. And here is the Dr. Facilier gloss. Ooh, that is a really nice gloss color. So I swatched it alone right here, and half of it is over the lipstick. As you can see, really, really cool. And there's like shimmer in it that's going to give you a really cool multi-dimensional effect. It's going to look really cool on whoever wears it. The next set that I'm going to be giving away is the Hades set, and here is what the box looks like. And here is the front of the highlighter. So cool. I love these. They look amazing. And here's what the highlighter looks like. This is very much more my shade. It looks a lot like Mary Luminizer, but a little bit more rich of a color. Let's see if the swatch makes it any better. These are so smooth, you guys. It goes on with a little bit of a pink sheen. You guys can't really see it on my hand, but you can see it right there. This is very creamy. Next we have the Hades lipstick. Like somewhere between a coral and terracotta shade, which is very, very pretty. This is like kind of my spring shade, which I probably should have worn today, but I went with something a lot darker. But very, very pretty. I am obsessed. And next, the Hades Ultra Glossy Lip. I have noticed that the brush tips on the gloss, which isn't my favorite for gloss, but it works. It was a little stiff when I first took it out. So what you'll probably have to do is just kind of mush it on your hand first so that you can get the brush tip to be a bit softer and more malleable, you know what I mean? So here is the gloss. This side of the lipstick has no gloss. This side has the gloss, and here's the gloss on its own. Like, this is very, very pretty. And I'm not a fan of gloss, but if it's Disney gloss, I'm gonna wear the gloss. And lastly, the last set that I'm going to be giving away is the Evil Queen set, you guys. I originally was not going to buy the Evil Queen set for myself, and eventually I was like, I really want it. I really, really want it. So I put it in my cart. Of course, Ernie ended up going online and buying this entire thing for me, which was completely unnecessary, but I am very thankful. So here is the Evil Queen highlighter, and here is what the highlighter looks like. Also very pretty. Very gold. This one is extremely gold. I guess maybe like her crown. That might have been the inspiration for this color. So like when you're just looking at my hand, I don't feel like you can see it very much. Maybe I'm wrong. But as soon as the light hits it perfectly, it gleams. The pigmentation is great. I cannot see my skin through this at all. Next we have the Evil Queen lipstick. I was really, really excited for this one. Somebody had trouble putting this into the box because like this is all, you can see the dents in it and everything. That was not me. Evil Queen, look at her. She's showing up a little bit more of a bright red on camera. How can you go wrong with red and gold? 49ers colors. Yeah. Here is, wow, the highlighter looks so good next to this lipstick. That is beautiful. That was very smart. Very, very smart. Whoever came up with this at Colourpop. You got brains. Next, we're going to swatch the Evil Queen Ultra Glossy Lip. Yeah, this one is also very stiff. So you gotta beat it up for a second. So far, this seems to be the most sheer gloss out of the set that I have swatched. As you can see, there is no gloss on this side of the lipstick, gloss on this side of the lipstick, which looks incredible, by the way, and the gloss on its own on the bottom. It looks really, really pretty. The gloss on its own is really nice, and it's not subtle, but like if you wore this on top of a really light pink lipstick, that would also look really, really nice. I love it, and whoever wins this is also going to be very happy if they like red lipstick. And now, oh wow, you guys have been crooked the whole time. I apologize. I have misunderstood palette here that is going to be being given away, and the 3 sets that I am going to be putting in the giveaway. So here's Hades, you can see it through the hole there. Here's Evil Queen, you can see that through the hole there. And here is Dr. Facilier. You can see it through the hole, kind of. I'm going to be giving each set to a different person, and somebody else will get the eyeshadow palette. So there are going to be 4 winners in total, and the only 3 things that you have to do to enter the giveaway is to 1, be subscribed to my channel, obviously, 2, follow me on Instagram, and 3, let me know who your favorite Disney villain is down below in the comments. That's everything. 3 steps. Be a subscriber, follow me on Instagram, that is at the ZiyaScholz. I never have to say that. And comment down below who your favorite Disney character is, and you can also include why, but just tell me who your favorite Disney character is. Tell me why too, because I'm nosy. And that's everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to pick a winner. This giveaway is going to end on the day that is on the screen because I have not completely decided yet. I will also announce this on my Instagram the day that it opens. And yeah, that is everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Don't forget to follow all the social media things. And that is everything. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Also, good luck to everybody who enters the giveaway. Bye.